everyone, this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and I am back with a really quick video for my embellishments on the 11th. So what I made are these little jars. So this is from the Lawn Fawn How You Bean stamp set and the die. So the die comes with the outline piece as well as a piece that will cut a piece as well as the inside for a shaker. So I got this a while ago. I think I got it from the Not Too Shabby shop. In my description box, I do have a link. It's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost anything to you to click on that. And then there is a code in there for 10% off. And the 10% is not good on Lawn Fawn. That is a new release until it's been 30 days. So after 30 days, then Lawn Fawn then becomes available for the coupon code, and you cannot use the coupon code for the subscription box for the Not Too Shabby shop because that already has a discount. So, but yeah, you get 10% off everything else, and sometimes you just like need glue and stuff, and so you know, the code is in there if you want to use it. So anyway, make sure that you visit all the different links that are in my description box. Those are everyone who is participating in the Embellishments on the 11th collab. And so there's a hashtag, click on that. If you yourself decide to make some embellishments for this month, go ahead and use that tag, and then we can go and we can see what you've made as well. So what I did, and the jar you can stamp separately. So I stamped the jar, and then I stamped the lid, and I silver embossed the lid. And so I did that. And then I did two that I made into shakers. And so what I did for the backing piece is I just did some ink blending. So this one kind of has a galaxy feel to it, or a nighttime feel. And then I just searched my stash for the kind of fillers that I needed. So in this case, I wanted like a purple, I wanted sort of a yellow, and like either a silver or like a clear, you know, sequin. So I went ahead and did that, and I really like how that came out. It's really cute. So this is going to be for a future project. So stay tuned for that. And then this one also, I ink blended to match a future project, and I splattered it with a little bit of gold watercolor ink that I had in my stash, and then I went searching for the right color sequins. So I've got these little weird little gold chips that I have had in my stash forever. I have no idea where I got them from. And then some sort of teal-like colored ones, and then some pinks. And so that is fun. And then this one, I've not decided what I'm going to do yet. So I'm just still thinking about what to do with this one. And so that's for a future idea. And then this one, what I did was I did this stamp set from the Not Too Shabby shop just because. And I have like the bees in here with the, you know, the beehive. And so I'm probably going to do some sort of a card where, because the bear looks like, oh no. So I'll do something where the bear is looking at the jar, like wondering, like, what the heck is happening? How come I can't get to my hive, even though I've got one in my hand? So I think I'm going to do something like that. So these are just really fun and easy embellishments. And, you know, you can make a few on hand, or if you have projects in mind, you can go ahead and you can, you know, decorate them or use colored, you know, designer paper behind it. There are all kinds of bits that go in this jar. There's jelly beans, and there's add-ons, gingerbread add-on and a strawberry add-on. And the strawberries are really cute in the jar. I've done that before. And so there's all these different add-ons that you could purchase that fit in the jar. And they put little faces on them. And it's an adorable stamp set by itself. But you can also expand those stamp and die jars into whatever you want that you have in your stash that you want to make. So I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to make with these. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Crane the Heart.